Hi friends, in the embedded and real-time system we are going to see about the next topic in the 5th unit, that is inter-process communication mechanism. So inter-process communication is a series of actions, or it is going to be a steps to achieve the particular end. So within a system the process is going to be a independent, it is not a dependent one, and it is also not affected by the execution of other process or task. Only it is going to be affected by using the other executing program. So this process is going to be communicate with each other, and also it is going to synchronize their actions. It is going to be interfaced with each other. So why we are going for this IPC, inter-process communication? So to share the information from one process to other process, and also sharing the resource, and we are going to increase the speed. For this purpose we are moving to this IPC, that is a inter-process communication. Why IPC, inter-process communication? So there is a chance of asking the questions in this inter-process communication, that is a multiple choice question or MCQ. So there is a chance. Why we are going for this IPC? For information sharing, resource sharing, and also to increase the speed. For this purpose we are moving to this IPC. So there is a chance of asking MCQ questions in this IPC. So now only we are mainly going to see about this IPC, inter-process communication. So process will communicate with each other by two ways. So one is the shared memory, another one is the message passing. First we are going to see about the shared memory. So here two process we are going to use, process A and process B. So process A, first it is going to generate the resources and the record that is going to be stored in the shared memory. Either it is going to stored in the shared memory or it is going to record in the shared memory. So here which type of variables and which type of data it is going to use, that it is going to be record in the shared memory. So next process B, it is going to do some process. Before going to do this process, it checks the process A, what type of variables data used by the process A. First it is going to check this process B, it is going to check and then it is going to do the process. So it is going to check the process A, which type of variable and data used by the process A. So this is the cooperation between this two processes. So process A going to use the information that sent to the kernel OS. Kernel we already know that is going to be the part of the operating system, that is OS. So the stored information that is in the kernel OS. Then this process B. So process A already used some resources, that resources this process B not going to use, it is going to use the another resources. This is about the shared memory. So second is the message passing. So it is a process communicate with each other without using any kind of shared memory. So without using the shared memory, here the process going to communicate with each other. So this is the diagram for message passing. So here first sending process, that is fed to the message passing module, that is given to the message passing module, and then it is given to the process ID and message. So by using this process ID and message, only this receiver receiving the message. How to do the process P1 and P2 communications? So first one, we have to establish a communication link. If already the communication link is established, no need to do again. So second one is start to exchange the message by using basic primitives. So two basic primitives are there, one is the send, another one is the receive. So in the send, that is message comma destination address, sending to the receiver. Second one receive, again message comma host. Host means from where the message is coming, from the sender. So this messages may be direct or indirect communication, symmetric and asymmetric communication, automatic or explicit buffering. Next is the inter-process communication methods. So totally 5 methods are there. First one is file, signal, socket, message queue and pipe. So here this is going to share the memory with the help of this methods. So by using these methods, it is going to share the memory. So first type or first method is file. So resource for storing the information. So if the program is finished, this going to be file is going to be stored in the memory. Second method is signal. So used in the Unix operating system. Suppose the CPU going to perform some operation, that time the interrupt is going to be occur. So this inter-process communication gives some information that is going to be passed. so it is going to pass this signal immediately or suddenly to the processor. So the third method is socket. So it provides point-to-point communication, that is a two-way communication between this two processes. Next, message queue. So it provides the synchronization and communication protocol. So asynchronization we already know, that is going to be like a serial communication. So bit by bit the process is going to be done. So here there is no interaction with the sender and receiver at the same time. Example, walkie-talkie we can take. So sender send the message, receiver it is going to retrieve the message from the message queue. So last one is the pipe, that is output of each process feeds directly as an input. So here parent child we are taking as an example. So parent gives some information to the child using a pipe A, and this child again it is going to give like a acknowledgement, sending the information to parents by using this pipe B. So here by using this IPC methods, inter-process communication methods also, we can able to get the MCQ questions, multiple choice questions we can able to get. Thanks for watching.